talk about part C. Let's see here if there's another problem like this. Yeah, here's what we'll do. I will do this one, problem 3, and then I want you guys to try C on your own. So what are the solutions for 4x squared minus 21x equals 18? So we have a little bit of an issue. I'll highlight it in red. 18 is on this side. We can't factor it yet until things are in standard form. So we have to put it in standard form first. So that means everything is on the same side, and we set it equal to 0. So I have to move this 18 over before I do anything. So I have to subtract 18. So I have 4x squared minus 21x equals 18, but it's going to be minus 18 equals 0. So now, this one, I went from red to green here, is in standard form. Okay, then we recognize that A, we can only identify A, B, and C after it's in standard form. A is 4, B is negative 21, and C equals negative 18. So when we factor this one, we have to use this X method, but we have to draw a horizontal line there. And I'm going to multiply A times C, if you remember from last week. And A times C is going to be 4 times negative 18. And 4 times negative 18, you can do it over here if you need to, 72, but 4 times 8 is 32. Or not, not 72. 4 times 8, 32. Yeah, 72. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, 7, 72. Right, so negative 72 would go up top. Because I'm multiplying A times C, it's going to be a negative number, so negative 72. And then my middle term is going to be negative 21. So, and then up here I have 4x, and I have to see what multiplies to 72, but is going to give me 21. So 72, I can look at all the factors of 72. I can do 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times, what's that going to be? Can always divide there. 72, 3, this is going to be 2, 6, 1, 12, so 24. Should have known that, but we got 3 times 24. So that's going to be the winning combination because I can get to a negative 21 out of that. How can I get to a negative 21? Just make this a negative 24. So I have minus 24 and a positive 3. And one of my factors is going to be 4x plus 3. Right here, I can't reduce this one in orange, so I just got to keep that one the same. Over here, I can reduce this by dividing them both by 4. So I divide that by 4, I get x. Divide this by 4, I get negative 6. So this is going to be x minus 6, and this equals 0. Now I'm back to my zero product property. I had to work a little bit harder on this one for 2 reasons. I had to put it in standard form first, and then also my a value is 4, so I had to make this horizontal line over here. So one solution is going to be 6. The other solution, you can probably do that mentally, but we'll subtract 3, and I get 4x equals negative 3. Divide by 4, and my other solution is going to be negative 3/4. So those are my 2 solutions. All right, so kind of complicated there on the last one, but you have 2 Khan Academy tasks, and I think there's only one problem that I assigned in the homework that's similar to this one. So we'll wait for C. We'll do that another time there. You could try that one on your own if you like, but we'll go over that in the next video.